This story was written by Mars, Zoe, Korbin, Dawn, Isabel, and Maurice, and it's called Crazy Grandpa Cheerleader. Sizzle it up. I keep it 100, that's my age. Older than the school where I cook on stage. Burgers for the kids so they vote for me. Use my 100-year-old smelly salt recipe. Win them over. Show off my moves. I'm the greatest cheerleader in school. Long day, but I gotta check these emails. Health code violation. So the kids didn't like these burgers of mine. I got another plan, it'll be just fine. Wait at people's houses when they arrive. Jump out of the bushes with a cheer surprise. Win them over. Show off my moves. I'm the greatest cheerleader in school. Get out of here, crazy grandpa. Long day of getting thrown out. Cheer competition? Sign me up. So we'll try to do this the regular way. Whip out my turtle move. It's oh so crazy. Sizzle it up. Win them over. Show off my moves. Put the finishing touches. Okay. Greatest cheerleader in school. Sizzle it up, baby. The end.